Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for May 12th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Crossnumber Sudoku. I don't think we've done one of these in gas. I have a vague memory of doing a Crossnumber Sudoku at some point, but I might be making that up. I have done Crossnumbers as well. So if you've done any of those, this will feel familiar. But we have normal Sudokus, 1 line in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Additionally, we have some lines in the grid. And these are straight 4-cell lines, even though they overlap. There are 8 of them. And we have some lines outside the grid, also 8 of them, that have numbers on them. And we need to place these lines in the grid, along the lines that are already. The rule here is that the digits must stay in the same order. Not only not swapping digits, this can't be 1, 6, 4, 3. It has to be 1, 4, 6, 3. But they have to go in order left to right or top to bottom. So we can do 1, 4, 6, 3. We cannot do 3, 6, 4, 1, even though this is in the right order. It's just going the wrong direction. Same for the rows, left to right. So those are the rules, and we'll start with the lines. We don't have a whole lot of information otherwise. And you can play around with how the lines can go in the grid. Initially, it looks like any of them could go anywhere, but we have these intersections. And I'm going to focus on these specifically, like those. This cell is the second digit on 2 different lines. And if we look at the lines, we have a lot of distinct digits and only one is repeated for 2s. So this must be 2. This is a repeated final digit, and the only one we have is a 4. This is a repeated first digit, which is a 1, and this is a repeated third digit, which is a 2. So we get those immediately. Now we need to figure out which way around the lines go. Without the given digits here, we could fill these in 2 different ways. Put the 2 lines here and here, or we put 2 lines here and here, and the other lines will work the same way. We have the same intersection. But the given digits resolve them. So for this 2, the 2 lines that we have that have a 2 in the second digit are 4275 and 9257. The 7 can't go because of the 7. So this must be the line starting with 4, and then this is the line starting with 9. Now this must have 7 as the second digit, so this is 2794. This must have 5, and it's 35. So those are resolved. Let's look at these next. We have a 1463 line and we have a 1389 line. Well, the 1389 can't go in this box because there's already an 8. So this is 463. This is 8, 9. And now we just have 2 lines left. One of them starts with 6 and one starts with 8. And those are the lines resolved. I'm going to get rid of our highlighting. And now we're just doing classic Sudoku. There are a couple of hidden singles here. I think there's a 4 there, for example. You might find some difficulty with this puzzle if that's what you're focusing. What you need to spot is there's a naked single right. These 2 lines don't have any shared digits. And there are 8 digits on the lines, so we're missing 1 digit, which is a 1. But 1 has to go. That cell sees all digits. We can look at similar overlap positions here, 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 etc. So let's look for those. This does have a repeated digit, 2. So this could be 4 or 8 right now. This does not have a repeated digit. We have 9257 and 1389. This must be a 6. Here we have 1389, 1345, and a 6. This is 2 or 7. Resolve that yet. This is 7 or 9. It's got options. This one is 8 or 9. This one is 5 or 8. And this one is 1 or 5, but now we have the 1 placed. So this must be 5. That's going to make this 8. That's the 9. see what else that gives us. These are 2, 6, and 8, so this must be the 2 in the row. It's 5, 6, 8 pair here. 3 must go down here somewhere. That's actually been there from the start. So that's another hidden symbol we could have found. Maybe there's another one in symmetrical position. If there is, I've not seen it. Let's look at this row. We need 2, 4, and 7. This must be the 2. 4 and 7 here. This must be 7 because of this 4. This column needs 1, 3, and 6. Neither of these can be 3, and this can't be 1. These are 2 and 7 now. That's resolved. These are 5, 6, 8. 6 goes here, not 6. This is 5 and 8. These are 4 and 7. These are 5, 8, 9. The 5 has to be here, and then the 9 resolves at 9. That resolves our 8 and 6. Now we have 1 and 8 here, not resolved, but the 6 must go there, here. Now we're making good progress. Here, we still need 2, 4, 7, and or 2, 7, and 9, and 6. 6 can only go in this cell. And we have 7, 2, 9, yeah, so this is 2, this is 9, this is 7. These are 2 and 9 resolved. These are 1, 5, 7, not resolved. These are 4 and 5, which we can do. These are going to be 1, 3, 8. Seeing that yet. Probably got another naked symbol we can use somewhere. Let's look at this row, I guess. These are 1, 3, 4, 8. The 4 can't go in these. That is a good symbol at this point. We've got 4s. This can't be 3 or 8, so it's 1. This can't be 8. So resolve those. This is a 1, 3 pair, that's resolved. This is a 1, 8 pair. These are 2, 5, 8. Should be resolved. Now this is a 1, 5, 7, not 5, and to finish off we need a 7. That's the solution. So really nice classic after the variant there, with quite a few naked symbols. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.